Okay, Bruce is cutting down a fairly tall tree.
Our biggest tree yet.
Our biggest tree
Chainsaw.
with his new electric chainsaw. I'm scared, but you know, I'm a chicken anyway, and he's done this before. I almost want to step back or jump back, and he did a V-cut in it, so presumably it's going to fall forward. Oh, it's begun. Oh gosh, it's falling forward. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was intense. That is another view of the tree that fell down. And it did clip the power. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my God, there it goes.
Perfect. Oh, brew. Perfect.
This is the new vista without the big tree over there that fell in the right direction, but I was still scared. Future victim, and he's even bigger than the previous tree. It's leaning away from the house and from the wires that were snapped by the first one of the big trees. And the top of it is producing a blockage to Bruce's view of the valley. So he wants it to fall to the right, away from the house and away from him and me. I'm scared again, but that's just me. I'm very uneasy. Scary stuff. Very scary stuff. What if it falls backward? Oh, that's the top. He's halfway through. Oh my God, Bruce! It seems like it's leaning the other way. Oh my God, Bruce! It's leaning the other way. Maybe it's just the wind. Yeah, that's bad.
Fortunately, this story has a happy ending. We ran inside, called the tree guy, and then heard a crash. As you can see, the house survived. The wind must have caught it and the tree fell in the right direction, and we lived happily ever after. And we have a couple side benefits. I'll show you. First benefit is we now have some cool roofs over our trail by the rocks. Here we have benefit number 2, which I haven't exercised yet, but someday when I'm feeling courageous, we'll try walking the bridge. I don't know why that would be any better than walking the trail, more exciting. But the true benefit, benefit 3, up here. Benefit 3, the true benefit, the thing that started this whole process is up here from this meditation bench. you can sit and you can see the world or the horizon or something. It's really pretty. Especially at sunset. That's when the sun hits there. It's not so hazy. So that's it for cutting a hole in the forest. Please don't hate me for killing a few trees, though. Mushrooms are gonna love me.